Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome to my channel and good morning. Welcome to a day in the life vlog. I'm just going to take you about my day. So far, I have just woken up and then I had some coffee, checked emails. It's about 6:40 a.m. I have a pretty chill day today because it's 2 days before Thanksgiving. It's the Tuesday before Thanksgiving, which is on a Thursday. So I have some work to do for work because it's a work day and it's a work day before a holiday, so things might get a little bit crazy at work. But then I also have to run some errands and I'm also gonna maybe do my nails. Maybe I'll do those tomorrow. So right now I'm just gonna go shower and get ready for the day. I just used this dry shampoo. It's the Dove Volume Dry Shampoo. It's so good, even on dark hair. I have almost black hair. It is so dark. It worked really well. I'm just gonna put on a little tinted sunscreen. I actually use a beauty blender for this. After I just put on a basic moisturizer on my face, I like to make a tinted sunscreen, which is just a foundation because this is way too full coverage, and a sunscreen, and this is one from Japan. I'll link some of the stuff I'm talking about below. It gives you a lot lighter coverage and you don't look crazy. I hate how I look with foundation on. I know that's weird. A lot of people think that they look better. Also, I live in Chicago and my Apple Watch tells me that the UV danger is 1 because it's raining and cold and dark outside. I know that if you live anywhere in the sun or even in the summer, you should wear more sunscreen than I just showed you. You're supposed to wear, I think, a quarter size, something like that. I think it's crazy that I'm not going to Thanksgiving at my family's house this year. No one is. We always have such a big Thanksgiving with a couple of other families that we've known for a really, really long time. And I guess today or this year, nobody is really going or doing anything. And that's just what is the situation right now, I guess. And I don't know if we will be doing Christmas now either. We're not sure. I think my camera is really, really bright right now because of my skylight. By the way, these 2 little sponges that you can use to put on your makeup make putting on your makeup so fast. It's kind of crazy. I can get ready now in under 5 minutes, but I know there are so many people who like actually love getting ready and putting on makeup, but I just like to get it done, get it over with. And since I use dry shampoo today, I don't have to do my hair, which is really nice. This was such a quick getting ready morning, I feel like. And that's about as ready as I get these days. Is anyone else like totally abandoned how they used to get ready and they've oversimplified it due to Corona? So all I'm gonna be doing today is running errands and staying at home. And look outside. Look at that rain and the weather. This is like a perfect rainy fall day, but it also means that as usual, I'm going to just wear leggings and a top. All right, got my chapstick. This works way better than any of the lip balms and stuff that I've tried at Sephora. So that is my getting ready routine for when I'm staying at home. And ignore my messy closet and this entire messy room right now because I really need to organize things and make it look more aesthetic. I mean, I have my filming wall. Look, I have like a tripod. I even have a ring light over there. So I have that set up, and I also really want to film a what's in my iPhone. Maybe I will film that today. Maybe if I have time. The problem is that I need to edit my iPhone, not edit my iPhone. Like, I need to organize my iPhone. I just got the new phone, but previously I had to factory reset my iPhone because I was having some issues when I upgraded my Apple Watch. So I had to reset my iPhone 11 that I had like a month ago, and I just never got around to like re-downloading all the apps I love, reorganizing it, all that stuff. Then I transferred that iPhone over to the new iPhone 12 I got a couple of weeks ago. I really hope this is making sense. Otherwise, I'm just gonna cut it out. But basically, I need to organize my phone, get it how I like it actually, and then I want to do a what's in my iPhone video because I love those videos and I have a lot of really great apps and tips and stuff for phones. I'm such an Apple fan, which everyone who knows me or probably watches any of my social media content already knows. I'm obsessed with anything Apple. I don't know, but I'm gonna go down and make myself a water, not make myself, but pour myself some water and also say hi to my dog, and then probably get to work because I kind of want to get to work and get done early enough, like get everything urgent done and early so I'm not stressed about it later in the day. I also need to go to Costco and FedEx, so I need to make sure that I get those done. Does Costco close at 6? I don't know. Is Costco gonna be like crazy today because it's the day before Thanksgiving or 2 days before Thanksgiving? I hope it's not. Also, it's not even 8 a.m. yet and I have so many packages outside, which makes me think that I didn't bring in any of my packages yesterday. Like I didn't check. Okay, I just came downstairs to the kitchen where my dog is. My dog is over there laying on his bed and he didn't even come over and say hi. So I don't know if I want to make a cold brew or have a lemon water or what. I have my ice water and I'm gonna have this banana for breakfast and I'm gonna go upstairs. Today is just gonna be a lot of emailing and sitting at the computer, and if I don't get my work done on time I'm gonna have to log back in, so I want to just be super efficient. But anyway, time for us to go upstairs.
Oh, the best in life for free, so why not me?
So for lunch, I am going to have, I think, a salad, but I don't have any lettuce. We're gonna see how this works out. I'm just gonna use some cucumber basically as a base in my salad instead of lettuce. This doesn't look that bad. So I usually get HelloFresh, but I canceled my HelloFresh box because I thought I was going to be in Michigan for Thanksgiving like normal, but we aren't doing that anymore. So I ended up getting a Blue Apron box. This is what the box looks like. It comes packaged with, I don't know what this is, but it's thermal. I know HelloFresh has had that stuff before. It looks like the meals come in plastic bags. It's just like one individual meal. And then the next meal is in here. I forgot how many meals I ended up getting. I got a pork roast and sides, and then this one is chicken and vegetable stir fry, fish taco meal, carrots. Wait, I'm confused. Why did I just get a bunch of like random produce? This is so strange. It's just like some of the ingredients are just random groceries. Did a bag break, I'm wondering? There's also no recipes in here. I'm so confused. Oh, this is everything that came in the Blue Apron box. It's really weird because there's random ingredients not connected to the 3 meals that I got. There are also no recipes, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about that. There are some ingredients that are in bags, like these peppers, but these peppers are not. That's a little weird. These potatoes are in a bag. Things like potatoes, carrots, and peppers don't need to be in a bag, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Also, I do really like that the meat comes in sealed bags, though that is excessive packaging. There are 4 servings of meat cuts here, and I only got 3 meals. I'm really very confused of what's going on with this Blue Apron situation. I also think it's really weird and don't know where I'm gonna get the recipes from. I'm gonna try to see if I can find them online. I'm just running into FedEx to ship a package. I just need to return a phone case I got from Apple that I bought in the wrong size. Okay, so that was pretty painless. But Costco is like right across the street, so I'm gonna run into Costco. Also, it's so pitch black. All I'm seeing in the screen is very like gritty, dark colors.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna
Zon, this is what he would do if he got a second wife if I died.
I'd probably call her sweetie and wifey a lot.
Why?
Because I don't have to remember another name.
Why do you call me that a lot?
Because the ex's nickname was Sweetie.
Was it really? Okay, well, never call me that.
Okay, Sweetie.
You really called somebody that? That's so awkward. You're like so old.
Didn't trim the meat very well.
Is this better or worse than HelloFresh meat?
Well, they cut it up, so that was great for us.
Can you tell what the brown thing is?
This is molasses from the heart of a cow.
No, for real, what is it?
I don't know. It is prepare the ingredients and make the sauce. It is the sauce.
Just the sauce?
The sauce.
What's the white chunks in it?
Cow brains.
Okay, Tom, I'm trying to record a video. So
Well-
legitimately tell me, what did you put in the sauce?
I peeled the carrots, half length in a bowl, combined black bean sauce, ponzo sauce, heroin sauce, sauteed aromatics, and as much of the red pepper flakes as you like.
What are we eating?
Okay, bok choy.
Did you choose the Thanksgiving one?
No.
Why? That's what
I'm doing that on Thursday.
You're not cooking Blue Apron on Thursday?
I'm cooking Thanksgiving on Thursday.
I know, but we were supposed to have a pre-Thanksgiving today.
Did you say that to me?
Did I not?
No. No, you did not.
Tom, I'm still recording. Stop.
No, this all goes up. You wanted to do like a TikTok video together? This is it, baby. This is it. It's candid. It's not scripted. It's not the best.
It's
but
not a
what we
vertical
got.
video.
This is real. How much Nutella did you buy? Get a shot of that.
I'm getting in trouble for buying Nutella now.
No. Nutella is good. It's mostly sugar, but it's good.
Yeah.
That much Nutella.
This is the only size they have.
It's Costco. We're two people. I don't even know why the Costco membership. We're two people.
We use so much Costco stuff, and because you can't get deals like at Costco at other places.
Costco is pretty good.
Yeah, see?
Alright, cornstarch, salt, and pepper.
Did you touch the top of the soap with your chicken hands?
Yes, because you have installed touchless little doodad.
Oh, it's my fault.
Yes, your fault. Yeah, if you would have just gotten there.
I don't even know what you're cooking right now.
Why?
If the rice is done, how is the food not, like the meal not done? It's supposed
Because
to be...
it took longer to do everything after that than before that. So really step 2 should came before step 1.
Why is the bread box open?
Look, there's some mysteries in life, and we just don't know.
Okay, well.
It could have been Zana. Yeah, it was.
Also, I'm procrastinating putting away the groceries right now. I should put the freezer stuff away.
Immediately.
Immediately. But I'm chilling.
You're chilling?
Yeah.
You're outside chill. It's cold up there.
No, it's really cold out.
I know.
And now your fingers are cold too.
So I'm using T-Rex fingers. I saved these other 2 fingers.
Okay, well this is the recipe that I wanted Tom to cook tonight.
That's not what this video is about, though. But there's
Yes, it is. This is my channel.
It's your channel. It's a takeover. I'm coming back, guys.
This is my channel, and this is the dinner that I wanted to have tonight. But I'm getting something else that I don't know what it's called.
She never told me she wanted that meat.
Yeah, I think I forgot to tell him, but I thought it would be obvious. Why wasn't it obvious?
Last Thanksgiving, right before Thanksgiving.
It was a pre-Thanksgiving, just to practice.
Dude, we have 20 pounds of meat coming. There's 4 of us. We get 5 pounds of meat each. We're going to have leftovers for like a week and a half. That's all we eat is meat.
I don't eat that much meat.
Yes, I know. This is why I shouldn't last that long.
Jim's gonna take a lot of it. Tom, where you moved the paper towels from the paper towel holder? I saw it in my camera screen.
Well, you know what? It makes more sense to have it here because this is where I need them.
Tom,
There, like, it's too large.
the problem is you never put it back.
Well, I know that is unfortunate, but guess what? It's Chef Tom.
That's true. It is Chef Tom.
Yes,
It's Chef Tom. His true calling is to be a chicken chef. This looks really good. It looks super healthy.
Looks like a cow. Kill the chicken and mix it in with its food.
It doesn't look like a wait. Say that again. Say it again. That's actually funny.
It looked like a cow. Kill the chicken and mix it in with its food.
I think it looks healthy.
It looks green.
You like vegetables, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We shall see if I like bok choy.
Bok choy is good. You've not had it before?
Bok choy. I don't know, maybe.
Okay, well, I should order the stuff for Thanksgiving. Oh, thank you. Thanks, Tom. All right, so Zan just got his bark box in the mail. Open it so you can't see the address. Okay, Zan. Oh, you can't get the toys.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so happy. What is it?
Like a barrel or something?
It's so big he can't get his mouth on it.
He's not willing to bite down hard enough on it.
Why?
This one hurt it. Is cookies up? Yeah.
That's so cute. He was trying to protect it. Oh, Zan. Oh, it still has a little tag. Zan, you like your new toy? Okay, hey, let me take off the tag. There was more stuff in the box.
Yes, so you showed us that.
Are you protecting it from me? You don't want me to have your toy? Can I cut the tag off? Can I cut the tag off, please? It says it's maple syrup. Oh! Hey, be careful with him. Okay, okay, well, I'll just show you guys what else was in the bark box, I guess, since are we only giving him one toy at a time? The other toy in here is like a shoe with some leaves on the bottom. And then looks like it came with a pork stick. Ooh, there's some fall treats. Pork and spice latte. Duck boots. Is that a fall thing? Duck boots? Duck recipe dog treats. And then that is it. That's all that's in the box. So 2 treats, 2 toys, 3 treats, 3 treats, 2 toys. And that's it. Well, this toy already ripped and it is like 10 o'clock, so he's probably had this for maybe half an hour. It's like Pinterest, YouTube, and Instagram all had a baby.
Instagram is me. That's what it is like. That's like the best way.
No, but I love TikTok too.
Because I feel like I get so many like recipe and like.
What the heck did you just do?
I just my soap. I'm trying to think of like a recipe that I would never have thought of. Oh, like I get so many like Starbucks drinks from there. I get so many like.
I'm up in my office. It's about 10:30. I have this gel nail lamp, and I have all of these supplies that you need with it. The acetone, so much nail supplies, because when you buy nail supplies on Amazon, you get 50 of something that would cost you the same as getting one at a drugstore. So I just can't justify, you know, whatever, paying $10 for one nail file when I could get like 50 nail files for, you know, a few dollars. But then you have like 50 nail files and buffers and orange sticks and all of that stuff. But I am going to put on these little foil packs with the acetone and soak off my nails. I don't know if I'm going to repaint them, but I think I'm just going to put the foils on and watch Netflix in bed and have just a really chill day, because we are having my brother-in-law and I think someone else, I'm not sure who, over for Thanksgiving. We're having a smaller Thanksgiving like most people probably this year, because we're not going home to my parents' house where we always go. Thanks, coronavirus. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here so I can import all the footage and get it all edited and stuff and get it uploaded. I know that vlogs are pretty easy to edit. I'm not like the best editor. I can do it though, so at least I can do it. Like I can use iMovie somewhat, and I'm gonna try to learn Final Cut Pro soon. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today's vlog, and I'm gonna hopefully do more vlogs because it will be very cool to have this just all documented and also just to share what's going on in my life. So yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!